Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Programmable watering timer from Parkside, the model PBCG B2 for reliable automatic irrigation of your garden. With 6 programmable irrigation schedules, irrigation direction minimum 1 minute and maximum 9 hours and 59 minutes, irrigation rhythm daily to weekly, max working pressure 4 bar. Accessories included with batteries, IPX4, UV resistant with a 3 years warranty and click system, suitable for standard hose systems. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have in the manuals 2 2A batteries, the display. At the front we have the water button, instant response, and it will turn on the water, on-off button, rotary control, soft elements here, on a green color, Parkside. Here we have the adapter from 33.3mm to 26.5mm. Silicone rubber inside, and here with a mesh, there it is, you can remove and clean it. Another silicone rubber inside, it is very tight. Large nut, the adapter for coupling the hose, nice, and of course here we have in the battery compartment, we need to remove one screw to insert the batteries. Silicone rubber around, seal it very well, no water will go inside and damage the battery compartment. And again, you can install the cover. Now, we need to set up the time. First the hour, and the minutes. (24 hours or 12 hours), 24 hours. Choose the day, it is Monday, and that was all. We can see in the battery capacity here, it is full. You can turn on or turn off manually the water, press and hold for 2 seconds, this button. We can see in the icon, here the click, or you can turn it off after, adjust the hour and the minutes, 59 minutes, or switch off manually. Here we have 6 programs. Choose the first. You can go at Monday, on, we can see in the icons, no weekend, keep moving, adjust the hour, (28), and then how long? From 1 minute minimum to 9 hours and 59 minutes maximum. 1 minute. For irrigation, you can choose 1 minute, the minimum, 19 minutes, the maximum. 1 minute, and you can pause from 1 minute to 19 minutes, the maximum. And you can choose off or on. On. Perfect. So let's wait. And it is on. And after 1 minute it will switch off. Let's wait. We can see the icon. And there it is, off. 6 programs total. So you can program the 2. Off, and then it will switch off that time. I like that it has 6 programs, it's so convenient, adjust all the schedule to your needs. Now let's move on outdoors, connect it to my main water supply and see how it works. Easy to install, simple to program and ready to get your plants the water they need, precisely when they need it. So there you have it, the Parkside Programmable Watering Timer. It's truly a straightforward and effective way to take the guesswork out of your garden watering. With its easy to understand menu, 6 adjustable watering schedules, and broad compatibility with standard taps, it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. No more forgetting to water, no more overwatering, just healthy, happy plants. Ready to simplify your watering routine? The watering timer is waiting. If you're tired of manual watering and want to give your garden the consistent care it deserves, the watering timer is a fantastic budget-friendly option. Only €15 without breaking the bank. Did this video help you understand the timer better? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more practical gardening tips and tool reviews. We'll see you in the next one.